Could I?
A movie theater has a seating capacity of 303 people. The theater charges $5 for children, $7 for students, and a whopping $12 for adults. Can you
So
believe
is it
that?
going to be a system of equations?
There are half as many adults as there are children.
Yeah.
If the total ticket sales was $22.08, that's $2,208. How many children, students, and adults attended? So this gives us a system that we have C plus S plus A is 303. That's the number of children plus the number of students plus the number of adults is 303. And it says that there are half as many adults as children. So I took that in the other direction. I said children is twice as many as adults. And it says it gives the total revenue is $22.08. So $5 per child times the number of children, plus $7 per student times the number of students, plus $12 per adult times the number of adults is $22.08. So there are three systems. We have three equations, three unknowns. We can solve this. And if you think this looks familiar, it sure does, because it's a lot like the last, I think, three problems we did. So I'll make a substitution. I'm going to put the C equals 2A in place of the C. So 2A plus S plus A equals 303, or 3A plus S equals 303. Next, you hear my cat? 5 times, not C, we'll say 2A plus 7S plus 12A equals 2208. So that's 10A plus 7S plus 12A is 2208. So that's, if I could simplify that, 22A plus 7S is 2208. And what was the other equation we had? Was 3A plus S equals 303. So what I'm going to work on here is I'm going to get rid of the S, because that's the easiest one to get rid of, and I can multiply that second equation by a -7. So if I do that, I have, I still have that 22A plus 7S plus 2208 from above. Then -7 times 3A is -21A. -7 times S is a negative or minus 7S. And -7 times 303, I'm not going to do that in my head. I think it's -2121 though. So 303 times -7 is, yep, negative, that's not equal, that should be a plus. That should be an equals, not a plus. Equals -2121. So check this out. How lucky did we get? 22A and minus 21A, that just gives us the A. Equals, and then we have 2208. Get rid of that 2121, and I get 87 adults there. Okay, so we have 87 adults. Children are twice as many adults, so that's going to be 2 times 87. So is that 174? Yes, it is. And then what do we have with the last thing? It was the sum of the three was 303. So children plus students plus adults was 303. So that'd be 174 plus S plus 87 equals 303. So what is S going to equal? 303 minus 174 minus 87. And I get 42, which, if you read Douglas Adams, is the answer to the ultimate question of the universe. And so there you go. There's that answer. And the adults, there's children and adults. Okay, say bye, Nora. My daughter's helping out here.